Hello guys and parents, these are the homework for this week. I hope you're having a great family time together. Remember, you're capable of amazing things. In the page 227, you got underline the main purpose of the newspaper article. You got an example here: to let the readers know the reporter had a good time in the festival. To let the readers know why the festival was organized. You need to underline the main purpose, okay? Next to that, we got read the article again, circle true, false, or yes for doesn't say. Number 1, the article was published in the Westland Park Gazette. And the answer is false. Next to that, we got write 5 words from the vocabulary list that you can find in the article. And we got an example here, next to. Then to that, we got go back to the newspaper article and underline the question with the following structure and write an example for each one. You got here WH question, verb to be, who were you with? In the page 228, we got the Evening Gazette. You got an example here how to do a newspaper article. And you need to do that. Think about where the article is going to appear, who its intended readers are, and what its purposes. Organize the information you're going to write about, answer the questions who, what, when, where, and why. Write a draft of your article, don't forget to prove it, and add graphics or pictures. Okay, you got here the steps for an article: introduction, main body, title, headline, and the conclusion. Okay. In the page 229, we got visible thinking. Think about the positive and negative aspects for the organizers and the attenders of large public events like festival, parades, fairs, and concerts. Share your own personal opinions. Write your ideas in the boxes like these examples. Positive, have fun with friends and family. Negative, it's dangerous to go alone. Okay. In the page 332, we got activity 1 review. Underline the answers about your article. Number 1, where is your article going to appear? We got an example here, in a newspaper. In the activity 2, match the topics with the possible titles for a newspaper article. We got a healthy diet. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Activity 3 extension, answer the following questions to help you prepare the information for your article. And we got this question: what happened, who participated in the event, when did it happen? In the year 2020. That's all for this week. Take care and remember, stay at home. If you think education is expensive, try ignorance. Goodbye, guys.